up, Cam Troops, aka Kamal Squad? You already know who it is. It's me, Cameron Amani, coming back to you guys with another YouTube video. Give this video a big thumbs up before it even start, and be sure to drop down in the comment section below if you have any more videos you'd like for me to do. And in today's YouTube video, we're going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro. Now guys, the MacBook Pro came for me in month 4. The end of month 4, I just started month 5. I'm pretty much going into my second week, and y'all, I've been slacking on the full sub videos, but this is what the box looked like. I've actually already used the computer because I've been doing work on it. I've been trying to go downstairs using my desktop, and my computer is, I don't know if you want to call it silver or what, but this is the box. I shouldn't be holding it like this. I need to get a case ASAP, y'all, because like you can already see like it's getting scuffed or whatever from my fingerprints. But this is what it looks like for the most part. And you open it here. And then, see, my screen already got handprints on it. I need to clean it off. And then it'll come on. And I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a better view. Let me turn the camera around. So despite all of the handprints, this is what it looks like. You guys know this is the touch bar right here. This is like a fingerprint palette or whatever. And this is like, I'm not big on Mac. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Like I was saying, guys, I'm not big on Apple products or like Mac in general, besides my phone. So I don't really know how to work a MacBook. So for the last few days, I've been teaching myself how to work it. And this is pretty much what it looks like. It came with a few apps that you need throughout the full sail class. It came with some passwords and different stuff like that you're gonna need to get the apps for free. Some movie editing apps and different things like that. Again, I'm a digital cinematography major. Came with an instruction book, I'm assuming. I never opened it. And obviously, of course, it came with your Apple stickers. And then it came with this beautiful charger, which is right here. And it's a huge charger. It's pretty heavy, and it had a long cord, but it's on my bed. So that's pretty much the unboxing of the MacBook. Pretty simple, pretty short, pretty easy. I'm also about to film my month 4 review, which was the English class. I hated it. And yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see the MacBook like in depth or what I got on my MacBook, be sure to let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. It's me, Cameron Amani, signing out. See you guys in my next YouTube. Also, guys, I know I already closed out the video, but I forgot to mention that inside of your full sale, obviously you had your full sale instructions and stuff to see what your pack comes with. They also gave me a 3-year warranty. I'm quite sure everybody's going to get one. And then at the back, you have your secret code on protecting your computer for 3 years. So you have to set that up. If you want to know how to do that, because I had a difficult time, I'll be sure to help you if you want me to. It also came with the Ethernet adapter. If you can see it, can you see it? Yeah, it came with the Ethernet adapter, and it also came with an Apple USB. So that's something else it came with. And just little plastics. This is gonna come over your screen, and your computer is gonna come in this plastic right here. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Also, this is what the cord, your computer charger, looks like. It's gonna come like wrapped in this little thingy. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.